Coffee Bananas Foster Recipe. A flaming twist on a classic dessert. Hey there, dessert enthusiasts. Today, we're putting a fiery spin on a beloved classic with our Coffee Bananas Foster recipe. This iconic dessert gets a flavor boost from coffee and a dramatic flair with a flambéed finish. I'm Miss Coffee Baby, and let's turn up the heat. Ingredients. 4 ripe bananas, peeled and sliced. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. 1/4 cup of strong brewed coffee, espresso works best. 1/4 cup of dark rum. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of ground cinnamon. Vanilla ice cream for serving. Fresh mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions. Let's get started by heating a skillet over medium heat. We want it nice and hot for that perfect caramelization. Once the skillet is hot, add in your unsalted butter and let it melt until it starts to bubble and foam. Now, sprinkle in your brown sugar over the melted butter. This will create a sweet and sticky caramel sauce that's the heart of our Bananas Foster. Stir the brown sugar and butter together until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture becomes thick and syrupy. Time to add our star ingredient, the sliced bananas. Carefully place the bananas into the skillet, making sure they're evenly coated with the caramel sauce. Now, let's kick up the flavor with some strong brewed coffee. Pour it over the bananas, and watch as the aroma fills the air. And here comes the exciting part, the dark rum. Pour it over the bananas and caramel sauce, but be cautious as we're about to ignite it. Time to light it up. Using a long match or a lighter, carefully ignite the rum. Stand back and watch as the flames dance around the skillet. This not only adds a touch of drama but also enhances the flavors with a hint of smokiness. While the flames subside, sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon over the Bananas Foster for that extra layer of warmth and spice. Now that our Coffee Bananas Foster is ready, it's time to serve. Spoon the delicious mixture over scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream in serving bowls. For a finishing touch, garnish with a few fresh mint leaves to add a pop of color and a hint of freshness. And there you have it, folks, our Coffee Bananas Foster, a decadent dessert that's as impressive to make as it is to eat. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious desserts with a twist. Until next time, happy cooking and flambeing.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.